Bangladesh is a dynamic, rapidly developing country, and the capital city, Dhaka, is linked to the major port city Chittagong by rail. The railway extends south from Chittagong to Dohazari, approximately 46 kilometers away. The country's premier tourist destination, Cox's Bazar, with the world's longest stretch of uninterrupted beach, is located about 150 kilometers south of Chittagong. There are many tourist attractions nearby, including Ramu Pagoda, St. Martin Island, beautiful destinations such as Nilgiri, Malachhol and Golden Temple in Bandarban. Bangladesh's rapid economic growth and rising standards of living highlight the need for better connectivity to this premier tourist destination. Good infrastructure connectivity is a prerequisite for further economic development. At present, the principal means of travel from Dhaka to Cox's Bazar is by car or bus, along congested roads. The trip to Cox's Bazar is a long and dangerous one, with a high accident rate. Bangladesh has one of the highest fatality rates in road crashes, higher than 73 deaths per 10,000 registered motor vehicles every year. There is a clear need for a safe, speedy, economical, comfortable, convenient means of travel between Dhaka and Cox's Bazar. A new dual gauge railway is planned to link Dhaka to Chittagong, onto Dohazari and Cox's Bazar and Ramu to Gandum near the Myanmar border. The trains will be able to travel from Dhaka via the Dhaka-Chittagong Express Railway, onto Chittagong and Cox's Bazar in 5 hours, compared to the current 12 hours by car or bus. This single-line dual gauge has provision for double line in the future. Local trains will also be provided, stopping at new stations to be provided at Dohazari, Satkania, Lohagara, Harbang, Charkaria, Dilohazara, Islamabad, Ramu, as well as at Cox's Bazar. The planned expansion of the Bangladesh rail network, with linkages to the Padma rail link via the Dhaka-Chittagong Express Railway project, will permit double-stacked containers to and from Chittagong and the future deep-sea port at Meshkali, and permitting much faster travel times between Dhaka and Cox's Bazar. Emphasis will be on the broad-gauge network, and regional and sub-regional connectivity, including the SARC and Trans-Asian railway corridors, with linkages to India, Myanmar, China and other countries. The new railway from Dohazari to Cox's Bazar will permit a future connection to the proposed deep-sea port at Meshkali, with potential freight to be handled to and from the deep-sea port. The railway will also provide for a future link from Ramu to Ukiah and Gandum on the Myanmar border, with future connections to Myanmar, other ASEAN countries and the Trans-Asian Railway. This linkage will enable the introduction of tourist passenger trains, offering a high level of service, convenience and comfort. The trains will be able to travel from Dhaka via the Dhaka-Chittagong Express Railway, onto Chittagong and Cox's Bazar in 5 hours, compared to the current 12 hours by car or bus. The trains will be air-conditioned, with reclining seats, on-board entertainment and an on-board trolley service. The rail journey will form part of an integrated tourist experience. The trains will have external advertising, and will serve as traveling billboards, with an exposure to millions of people along the Dhaka-Chittagong Cox's Bazar rail corridor. The Dhaka-Cox's Bazar trains will run as express trains, stopping only at Chittagong and Cox's Bazar. The Cox's Bazar rail terminal is designed to enhance the tourist experience, with an iconic building proposed in the form of a clamshell, in keeping with the marine environment of Cox's Bazar. Around the Cox's Bazar intermodal terminal there will be complementary development, including transport terminals, tourism-related developments, hotels, commercial and high-rise residential development. Passengers arriving at Cox's Bazar will be provided with convenient seamless transfers at the Cox's Bazar station, to cars, buses and other forms of transport to their final destinations. Social and environmental safeguards have been suitably addressed through investigations, extensive stakeholder consultations and development of appropriate mitigation measures. The project is being implemented at a capital cost of around $1.5 billion, and approval in principle for funding has been received from the Asian Development Bank. The new railway from Dohazari to Cox's Bazar and Ranmu Gandum will provide many benefits to the local region and the nation, including permitting the arrival of over 26,000 passengers per day to Cox's Bazar, improving the connectivity between Dhaka, Chittagong and Cox's Bazar, providing increased mobility options for passengers, providing a safe, secure, speedy, convenient, comfortable, economic, sustainable and reliable transport link for tourists and the general public, providing employment opportunities for local communities during the construction, operations and maintenance phases, providing a catalyst for establishment of a future deep-sea port at Meshkali, boosting the economic development of the region from Dohazari to Cox's Bazar and to Teknaf, providing a vital transport infrastructure link to connect with Myanmar to facilitate sub-regional and regional trade. Construction of this line is equivalent to 0.5% of GDP.